right? Let's look at number of treatments, and let's look at time between treatments. Why is it that I'm seeing everything here at 30? Why is this number 30? What's the skin cycle? 28 days. Why is it that I'm going to wait a skin cycle to retreat? Well, it takes time for these things to take place. Remember, these are natural treatments, okay? You are using or stimulating your body's own regenerative capabilities. So you need to give your body time to actually do it. And the good, safe time is 1 month. It's easier to say to a client, come back next month than come back in 28 days. Right? It's easier. We'll notice that if we're dealing with deep wrinkles, that you may give a little bit more time. Why? Because you're doing more injury to the skin, deeper injury. We also notice that with hair regeneration, where, there's some times that you're giving it 40 days. Why is that? If you're treating scarring or scarring alopecia, you have a gentleman who has androgenic alopecia, and we're now going into that realm of scarring where it's thicker, harder, the blood supply is now extremely restricted. So what are we going to do? We're going to go deep and aggressive. We're going to try and break this up. And that's how, we would get it moving. So for that reason, you may need to give a little bit more time. But globally, that's the explanation as to why we're doing it at 30 days between.